Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to start 2 marks questions of circles. If you want to have the detailed formulas, you can go into the playlist where you can have the formulas of circles separately, okay, in the formula section. Now I am going to start with a general formula here. You see here the general equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This equation represents a circle if they satisfy the three conditions. First condition is A should be equals to B. A and B should be equal. A equals to B. And second condition is H equals to 0. You should not have the xy term in the circle. So this xy should be 0. For that H equals to 0. This term should not present in the equation of circle. So first condition is A equals to 0, B, second condition is H equals to 0, and third condition is G square plus F square minus AC greater or equals to AC. So let me have one question on this type. Now see here, find the value of A and B if the equation represents a circle. Now the given equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Now you compare this with the general equation. The general equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Now compare here a equals to a, the value of a is a, the value of 2h is b, the value of 2h is b, and the value of b is 3. Compare here a value is a, 2h is b, and b is 3. Okay, so what are the conditions we have? First condition is a equals to b, so the value of a is a itself. This condition, the first condition, a equals to b. A equals to b. What is the value of b? 3. So we got the value of a. A equals to b is the first condition. I'm using the first condition. A equals to b. So the value of a is a itself. The value of b is 3. So a equals to 3 got one value. And the second condition, what is the second condition? H equals to 0. So keep h here 0. 2 into 0 equals to b. Therefore b equals to 2 into 0 is 0. So we got the values of a and b. Now see here, the general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Yours by heart this one general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here the center will be minus g comma minus f. Center will be minus g comma minus f. And radius will be under root of g square plus f square minus c. So I request first you by heart this formulas, okay? Let me do questions on this. So generally the equation, the center will be minus g comma minus f, and suppose the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. So in general, the center of a circle will always be minus g comma minus f, and radius will be minus g under root of g square plus f square minus c. Suppose you see here, suppose in general this is the first method. Now the second method is, suppose we are having center a comma b and radius r. This is the formula, second formula. Equation of the circle with center a comma b and radius r. We have to use this formula. When we have the center and radius, we have the center and radius, then we can use this formula for equation of circle. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. Now lastly, suppose the center is origin. Suppose the center is origin. So a and b will become 0. So then that will become x square plus y square equals to r square. So this is the third formula. Equation of circular center origin and radius r is, suppose this equation is x square plus y square equals to r square. Now see here, next question, find the center and radius of the circle. We have to find the center and radius of this circle. Before going to the question, watch carefully. X square plus y square, its coefficient is under root of 1 plus m square. So whenever we have to find the center radius, first we have to write the general form. In general form, we must have x square plus y square coefficient 1, not anything else than 1. So we have to change this. We should not have this here. We should not have under root of 1 plus m square as their coefficient. So to take out this, divide each term by under root of 1 plus m square. Divide each term by under root of 1 plus m square. Divide each term by under root of 1 plus m square. So you get cancel this one. Okay. So what is left? I am writing once more. x square plus y square minus 2cx by under root of 1 plus m square minus 2mcy by under root of 1 plus m square equals to 0. Now, before going to the next question, watch carefully. Now, let me write the general form and compare it to find g, c and g, f and c. What is the general form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now, compare and tell what is the value of here. 2g means this one. Coefficient of x is 2g. Therefore, we can write 2g equals to minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square. Must compare the values and write the values of g and f. Okay, watch carefully. X coefficient is 2g, x coefficient is minus 2c by, in the same way 2f, this will be minus 2mc by under root of 1 plus m square. Now watch carefully. If we don't have any constant here, so the value of c we don't have here, so we take c equals to 0. This 2 will get cancelled, this is the value of g. This 2 will get cancelled, this is the value of f. Let me find center. Center is minus g comma minus f. We denote c by center. Minus g means minus 1, this will become plus c. Minus g minus 1 plus c by under root of 1 plus m square minus f, again minus here, minus into minus plus mc by under root of 1 plus m square. So we got the value of center. Now what is next one? Radius. Its formula is under root of g square plus f square minus c. R equals to, now observe carefully, g square means we have to square this. If we square this, minus square will become plus, this will become c square by, when you square the denominator, this root and square will get cancelled, we left with 1 plus m square plus. In the same way f square, if we square this, minus square will become plus, this will become m square, this will become c square, m square c square divided by, if we square this square and root will get cancelled, 1 plus m square. Now let me do one thing, let me take common, or let me take LCM. So r equals to under root of, if we take LCM, this will become 1 plus m square. Here is left with c square plus m square c square. Now you take c square common, what is left here? 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square. If you take c square common here, 1 is left here, plus, if you take c square common, m square is left here. So 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square get cancelled. This will be under root of c square. Root square will get cancelled, get the value as c. Get the value as c. Now the next question, if the equation represents a circle with a radius 6, find the value of c. This is the circle, given circle, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 6 equals to 0. Given radius equals to 6, find the value of c. So let me first find what is g here. Very easy to, uh, just you reduce this by half. Coefficient, half the coefficient of x is g. Half the coefficient of x is g. So this is minus 4, now its half is minus 2. In the same way, this half of the coefficient of y, this is 6, so divide by 2, this is 3, so f will be 3. Okay, and constant is c only. No, radius is given as 6, radius equals to 6. What is the formula of radius? Under root of g square plus f square minus c equals to 6. Now under root of g square minus 2 square will be 4 plus f square, 3 square will be 9 minus c as it is, right, equals to 6. Now take out the root. For taking out root, we have to square both sides. 13, no? If we square it, root will go, what is left here? 13 minus c. 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 minus c. Now square of 6 is 36. Now bring this here, minus c equals to 36 minus 13. So minus c equals to 36 minus 13 will be 23, no? 23, 33, 36 here. Bring this minus here. So therefore c equals to minus 23. So what is the value of c? C value is minus 23. Now let me do one more question of this types. Now if the equation represents a circle with center 2, 3, find the value of a and b. Find the value of a. Now can you say what is g here? Now reduce this by 2. Half of this coefficient of x is a. So a by 2 will be g. What will be f here? F will be coefficient half the coefficient of y. So b half is b by 2. And what is c here? Minus 12. Now what is given here? Center equals to 2 comma 3. The question given. Center has 2 comma 3. But what is the formula of center? Minus g comma minus f equals to 2 comma 3. So minus g. What is g here? A by 2 minus f. What is f here? B by 2 equals to 2 comma 3. Now separate this one. What will happen? Minus a by 2. Minus a by 2 equals to 2. This 2 will be equal. This 2 will be equal. Minus a by 2 equals to 2. In the same way, minus b by 2 equals to 3. Bring this to here. Minus a equals to 4. Bring this minus here. A equals to minus 4. In the same way, bring this 2 here. 2 3 are 6. Minus b equals to 6. B equals to minus 6. So we got a equals to minus 6 minus 4. B equals to minus 6. We got a and b, the values of a and b. Okay, so what is the next thing now? Now we have to find the radius. Now watch carefully. What will be the value of minus g is 2. Minus g is 2. That means g is minus 2. Minus g value is 2. That is, bring this minus here. In the same way, f equals to minus 3. From this, f equals to minus 3. And we just now got the value of c. So what is the c value? C value is minus 12. Now from this, we also have to find the radius. So radius value, the formula of radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. G square minus 2 square will be 4. F square minus 3 square will be 9 minus c. Minus 12. Again minus means minus 1 is plus 12. So this is root 25. We know root 25 is 5. Now see the next concept. See here, find a if the equation represents a circle. Also find the radius. In the starting, we have seen now what is the condition. This is a, this is b. For circle, the condition is a equals to b. So what is the value of a here? 2 equals to what is the value of b? B is a here. So therefore a equals to 2. Now you substitute the value here. 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So whenever we have to find radius or center, first we must reduce this to the general form. We must not have 2 here. We must not have 2 here, because general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c. You must not have the coefficients other than 1. So for that, you divide this all by 2. Divide by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. What is left here? X square plus y square minus 3 by 2. X plus 2 by 2 is 1y minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. Now let me compare this with general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. In place of 2g, we are having minus 3 by 2. Bring this 2 here. Therefore, g equals to minus 3 by 4. Now in place of 2f, y coefficient is 1 here. 1. So this is 1. So f equals to 1 by 2. Now lastly, c is also minus 1 by 2. So what we have to find? We have to find radius. Radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c under root of g square. So minus 3 by 4. Minus square is plus 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. G square plus f square. 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4. Minus g minus 1 is plus 1 by 2 under root of, if you take LCM 16, what will happen? This will become 9 plus 4 4s are no 4 1s are 4, 2 8s are. So this will become under root of 12 plus 9 is 21 by 16. Root 21 by root 16 is 4. So this is the radius of the circle. So see here, next concept that we have. So what is the parametric equation of the line or circle? Sorry, we have to by heart this. Suppose there is a circle here. Its center is minus g comma minus f, and suppose its radius is r. So the parametric equation, that is, we can have a point like this x comma y on the circle, where x is given by minus g plus r cos theta, and y is given by minus f plus r sin theta. So we must by heart this formula. This is the formula for parametric equation of circle. What is the parametric equation of circle? X equals to minus g plus r cos theta, y equals to minus f plus r sin theta. This is the parametric equation of the circle. That is a point on the circle. Now see the next question. Find the parameter equation of the circle. So can we say what is g here? Reduce this by half. Coefficient of x by 2 minus 6 by 2 is 3. So this is g. And coefficient of y by 2 is f. 4 by 2 is 2. Now the remaining is c. C is minus 12. So let we first find the radius also. We must need radius now. So radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. Minus g 3 square will be 9. F square 2 square is 4 minus c minus 1 is plus 12. This is root 25. This is 5. So we want to write the parametric equation. Parametric equation. What is the parametric equation? X equals to minus g plus r cos theta. So x equals to minus g minus 3 minus 1 is plus 3 plus what is r here? 5 cos theta. Derivate the y also. Y equals to minus f plus r sin theta. So y equals to minus f is 2 plus r is 5 sin theta. So this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate of the parametric equation of the circle. In the same way, let's see here one more question is here. Find the parametric equation of the circle. So first you bring 4 here. We should not have coefficients of x square plus y square other than 4. So bring this 4 here. We can write x square plus y square equals to 9 by 4. In the starting we have seen this is the formula of the type like this. Watch carefully. X square plus y square equals to r square. So watch carefully. This is the formula of circle with center origin and radius r. So here center is origin 0 comma 0 and r square equals to 9 by 4, that is r equals to 9 by 4, that is 3 by 2. Now what is the formula here? Center is actually minus g comma minus f. No, that means minus g 0 means g equals to 0, minus f equals to 0 means f equals to 0. Now we got f is g and radius r. So now we can write the parametric equation. Therefore parametric equation is x equals to minus g plus r cos theta. So x equals to minus g means minus 0, no need to write 0 here, plus r is 3 by 2 cos theta. In the same way y equals to minus f plus r sin theta. So y equals to minus 0, no need to write 0, r is 3 by 2 into sin theta. So these are the questions. This is the parametric equation. Now see the next question. Find the equation of circle passing through the point. Suppose let me draw a figure passing through the point 3 comma 4 and having center at minus 3 comma 4. See, watch carefully. Let me find the radius. How can we find the radius? The distance between these 2 points will be radius. Suppose this is P. Solution. Let what is center is minus 3 comma 4. Let this point be P. So what is radius here? Distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points is center radius. So this will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this will be under root of x2 is 3 minus x1 again minus 3 minus 1 is plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 4 minus 4 whole square. So this is 0. 3 plus 3 is 6 square 36. 6. Now therefore we got radius as 6 and center we are having minus 3 comma 4. So center suppose a comma b. Now we have written a formula. The equation of circle is center a comma b and radius r. Therefore required equation is, we have written this formula now, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. Equation of the circle with center a comma b and radius r is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. Let me substitute this. X minus a is minus 3 here. So minus 1 is plus 3 whole square. Y minus b. B is 4 here. Whole square equals to r square. What is radius here? 6 square. Let me solve it. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab 2 3 is 6x plus 3 square is 9. A square is y square minus 2ab 2 4 is 8y plus 4 square is 16 equals to 6 square 36. A square means y square minus 2b 2 4 is 8y plus b square 4. Now let me write in the general form. First we write x square, then y square, then x, then y. First we have to write x square, then y square, then x, then y. Lastly constants. 16 plus 9 is 25. Bring this 36 here, minus 36. 25 minus 36 will be minus 11 equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now let we have one more last concept here. Watch carefully. Circles having same center are called concentric circles. Suppose we are having circles with same center. Suppose this is circle, this is circle. Now both have the same center C. The center of this circle also C. The center of this circle also C. How many? Suppose this is also one circle. If the circle is having same center, we call this as concentric circles. Circles having same center are called concentric circles. In concentric circles, we have this same values: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. For all the concentric circles, this value will be the same. Only constant will change. Only constant will change. Now let me do one question here. See here, find the equation of the circle passing through the point. Suppose we have to find a circle which is passing through the point 2 comma 3 and concentric with the given circle. Concentric with the given circle x square plus y square. So just now I told no, concentric means we will have the same value as this, x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y will be the same. Only constant will be changed. So let me start like this. Let the equation of circle be. You write this as it is because we will have the same values for concentric circles, x value and y value, 8x plus 12y. Only constant will change. Let me take for instance constant k equals to 0. Note this as 1. Now how to find the k? This circle is passing through this point. So if you substitute this, you'll get the value of k. Substituting 2 comma 3. That is in place of x2, in place of y3, 8 into x is 2 plus 12 into y is 3 plus k equals to 0. Now let me find the value of k, again substitute here. So what will be k here? 2 square 9, sorry 2 square 4, 3 square 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. 8 2s are 16 and 12 3s are 36. Now if you add 12, 15, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 65. 65 on the other side, it will be minus 65. So we got the value of k as minus 65. Now let us substitute, we'll get the answer. Therefore, equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y. Now the value of k is minus 65 equals to 0. So whenever we say concentric circles, we must take the x square, y square, x value, x term and y term as it is. Only constant will change. So we take constant as k. Now how to find the k? The given that the circle passes through 2 comma 3. So if we substitute 2 comma 3, we'll get the value of k. This is 13, okay. 12, 15, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got the value of k as minus 66, minus 65. Now you substitute k equals to minus 65, we'll get the answer. So we have done few questions on the circles, 2 marks questions. Inshallah, we are going to continue in the next class. Inshallah, I request the students to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Inshallah, we are going to continue in the next class.